Hi, I'm Travis with the US Tape Company. Today I want to talk to you about something that makes the vials in our Kapro Levels very special and very unique. Let's take a look. The vials in our Kapro Levels are all manually calibrated, and they're actually calibrated for the forward facing and the rear view facing. Once the vials are properly calibrated, it's inserted into the level housing itself. It uses a quick drying acrylic glue as well as a bi-component epoxy that makes it more flexible. If you actually look here through the side, you can see that the vial isn't just inserted to the top, it's actually inserted into the level itself. This vial holder design is to accommodate for any minor change in material due to extreme weather conditions, whether too hot or too cold. This ensures that your vial is going to be accurate regardless. I hope this video helped you understand a little more about our Kapro Levels. Thank you and have a great day.